footwork, we did the 1-2 step. For the 1-2 step, we're going to point out to the side, point behind, opening up the hips, step, changing weight, and collect, and then repeat on the other side. 5, 6, 7, collect. So we have 1, 2, 3, collect, and 5, 6, 7, collect. All right. Also, to add on to that one, we took it a step further and we did the triple step. For the triple step, we start out the same by pointing to the side on 1, pointing behind on 2, and then we have 3 quick steps on 3 and crossing over 4. At that point, we've got all our weight in our left. We have our right available to point out 5, behind 6, then we step 7 and 8. So because we use the and count, it gets a little faster. So at full speed, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We also did our cha-cha step at the end of a basic 5, 6, 7. We slightly turn ourselves. At that point, we dig forward on 1. Then we do 2 and dig forward 3. 4 and 5, 6, 7, and if it's to the right, same thing. We go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We also did hip rolls and leg rolls. For the hip roll, we're going to step out on 1 wider than we normally would, outside of our shoulder width, pushing our hips to the side on 1. Then we're going to bring it around the back on 2, through the middle on 3, and collect on 4. To the right, same thing, stepping wide, pushing out on 5, around 6, through the middle 7, and collecting on 8. And then for the leg rolls, we're going to step out to the side, leaving a bend in our knee on 1. We're going to turn our upper body on 2, straighten our leg, bringing it back on 3, and collecting on 4. Walk out of basic, 5, 6, 7. To the right, same thing, stepping out, leaving a bend in our knee, turning with our core first, our upper body, which turns our hips, which turns our leg, sliding it back on 3, collecting on 4. And that was the footwork that we did. Now for the 2 patterns that we did, we started with a basic turn for the guys where we keep our hands connected to our sides. We have 1, 2, 3. We turn 5, 6, 7. We did a reverse 2, 3, switching back, then 5, 6, 7. We have a double hand prep, and 5, 6 with a bigger step, bringing this hand over on 1, 2, 3, grabbing a wrist, turning while the girls did a hip roll on 5, 6, 7, 8. Good stuff. And then for our second pattern, we started out with a double hand hold, and we went 1, 2, 3, prepping across. Then we did a hammer lock, 5, 6, 7, keeping this hand behind the lady's back. Then we took this hand and tossed it on 1, switching our hand 2, collecting 3, and then we walked out a basic 5, 6, 7, moving our hand to the shoulder. We went forward 1, 2, 3, prepping, and then the ladies used their right hand for styling on 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to show that one from the side as well. We had 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, toss on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, forward 1, 2, rep, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good stuff. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure to be here.